Most Amazon sellers slap on A+ content and just hope for the best. These pro tips will actually help you convert. So if you're looking at some A+ content right here, this is some A+ content. And does your A+ content look like this? See, it's got some gaps here, right? This is called regular A+ content, and it does not convert nearly as well as premium A+ content like this competitor. We're going to look at their A+ content, and you can see the images are larger. They're more premium. It's HD. This is actually 2 images in one, and it has no spacing, no gaps whatsoever, right? And you can tell that it's like night and day difference. Now, if you don't have A+ content at all, you should get started on it right away. Now, to get started on A+ content, you're just going to log into Amazon Seller Central, go to Advertising A+ Content Manager, and then you can go here in the top right-hand corner, start creating A+ content. Once you're here, you're going to click the premium. If you don't have the premium option, start creating the basic. Something's better than nothing. And then you can get approved to launch the premium A+ content, which will convert much better. Now, once you do this, you can click create premium A+ content. It's going to look like this. I recommend to copy one of these top competitors, especially probably the one that I just showed you. You know, they're making tons of sales. Their A+ content is completely optimized, premium. It even has a showing a person. It's emotional. It has the target market, right? So a lot of that, you can click add module, and then you want to copy the same module that they're using. Now they're using a premium full image. So it's a premium full image. So premium full image, for full image, and they keep using that until they get to the bottom. The bottom part is a premium comparison table, so they can upsell your product. So they're just going to pretty much make one of these, go all the way down, do another premium full image, and then these actually connect to one another to make it look like this. And then the final one is going to be a premium comparison table. But, you know, here's an example of a completed one, right? So this one is a little bit different than the competitor, but it still looks good. Saving our world one bag at a time. We want to add that emotionality in, helping save the world. And then you can see it's got the upsell. So you can do it a couple different ways. It's up to you, but you want to make it stand out. You want to make it good. Look at different categories to see what competitors are doing. Don't just look at your competitors, because most of the time they suck. Now, if you don't know what the heck you're doing and you want somebody to audit you, we do a free audit. You can get the link in the description. You can go to our website. We'll do a free audit, and we'll actually go through all the top improvements, your top competitors, how much money they're making per month, and what you can do to improve your listing. So you could just do that. If not, you can analyze your top competitors and competitors in different categories, right? So if I'm analyzing the one that I just showed you, which is the BioRift one, the one thing that is missing is more emotion. So we've got emotion, help save our world, and we've got the animals, but we don't have the target market. Who's buying this product? And a lot of it is going to be small business owners and people a part of nonprofits that are helping other people, helping homeless. So we should be adding that emotionality and adding people actually in the images, right? And then more emotional animal images as well. People love emotion and they feed off emotion. Emotion, high quality, it's relatability and the ability to understand the product, right? Now, those seem difficult, but it's actually not, especially if you look at, again, the top competitor. It makes it very, very easy. They don't even have to be in your category. You can see that their top, whoever their customer is mostly women. So that's why they have a woman actually holding the product. If it was men, they could use men, right? But you can see it's a woman. That's pretty much who's going to be buying the product. They even showcase a woman sipping the item. Again, that's going to be relatability. And then they have it as a gift, which is partially emotionality. And then it's pretty easy to understand what the product is because they explain it right here. So they show you all the benefits, relatability, understanding what the product is. They hit the emotion there just a tad bit. And maybe they could add a little bit more emotion, but I think that this is still very well done. Another way to find out emotion is just to type in a commercial, right? So you can just do like tea infuser commercial on YouTube, and just see how do they add emotion, because commercials, if you ever went to the movies or saw a commercial or trailer, they add a lot of emotion in. So if you can find a product commercial, doesn't even have to be your product, you can figure out how they implemented emotion into their pictures and their images and their videos, and you could do the same exact thing, right? You can see, oh yeah, this is amazing. And they're making it more relatable there, right? So a lot of different things. Take your time, implement, dominate. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you with your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This means we're going to be designing your A+ content, managing your inventory, customer service, running your ads, dealing with seller support, and most importantly, increasing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.